Hey, good morning again, everybody. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is December 4th. It's a Monday, and it is still for now, 2023. A few more days. All right, so I see chop. I see chop is what I see here. Little bit of chop in the market, so please be careful. Chop is where if you're going to lose money, chop is where you're going to lose the majority of it anyway. Doing dumb things, you can also lose money, but chop, you're going to lose money. And if you were I still did it wrong. If you're one of those people that made money, past couple of weeks, and you even made a little money in here, and Friday was a pretty good day. You made a little money here. Be very, very careful that you just don't give it all back. Chop will do that. So let's be a little careful, right? Okay, with that said, we can clearly see the SPY is in a bullish trend, okay? And I'm still bullish. I am still very, very bullish. In fact, I've got targets up here of about 440, 460, 430, followed by 471 up here as spike targets on the upside. So maybe by the end of the year. But it doesn't mean that we can't have, a little bit of the consolidation or even a little bit of a pullback here. Excuse me. If we take a look at the transports are fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So there's no reason to think that we're not bullish based on the transport. SMH is the same way. We're bullish on SMH. We're having a little bit of a pullback right here. But overall, the chart pattern is still bullish. Admittedly, I sure wish this pullback looked a little better, that we didn't have all these wicks in here. But overall, this is still a very, very bullish chart. T2122, we're starting off the week one more time up here in this overbought area, which I happen to think is the best area to be. And the reason I think that is because if this is in the overbought area, that means the charts are rocking, is what it means. It did just get up here by itself. It was pushed up here by rocking charts. So we're still pretty good up here, I think. I like that. We'll know things are turning over when they turn over in the charts. We don't need to look at this for when everything is turning over. All the answers are in the charts. We come over here, maybe right here. You can see that T2123 on the 15-minute is incredibly bullish yet. Incredibly bullish. Now, this is Friday's close. This does not take into account any kind of pre-market today. So, but with Friday's close, extremely bullish out there. All right, let's come back over here. Friday, this weekend, I forgot what day. I assume everybody received a few ticker symbols I sent out with a video, pretty short video, so it shouldn't have been too horrible to watch on chart setting up. Charts like Wish, I put Wish out there, looking pretty good. Here's CGNX with targets. Again, they're all on those videos. Check your email. I did post some of these to social media, so for some reason, if you're not getting an email. And hey, look, I know that sometimes email can be a little bit of a booger. In fact, there's a case here, one person that they had to change their email, which it's not, they had another email, it wasn't horrible for them. But for some reason, their email service did not like our email service. And since that's the customer, they win. Nothing we can do, we can't fight it. But now working, so check your emails if you have troubles. We can fix it. There's always a way around a mountain. Take a look at PCAR here. PCAR has some nice upside to it. Take a look at Key, K-E-Y. K-E-Y still looks good. Now, one thing I want to point out, and this always comes up from time to time, not like a regular basis, but say we're looking at Key here, and key does something like this, okay? Maybe key moves back. Then you get frustrated with the trade ideas. Well, when we're looking at trade ideas, it's not, when a video is put out there, hey, key, I see some upside targets for key. What we are not saying is that, oh, hey, buy key, it's going to move right away. In the grown-up trading world, that's not how it works. In the make-believe trading world, well, it just might work that way, but not in the grown-up real trading world. So we can absolutely have some pullbacks before we reach those targets up there. Backs was another one that has, I think, some real upside to it, just a matter of waiting for that entry and that nice little setup that we like to look for. Etsy is another one setting up really, really good here. SSRM, another one looking for that 50 period moving average in here. And then I've got U marked. Oh, I forgot about that one. U is looking very, very good as well here. So definitely some trades out there for the watch list. Let's take Tesla. Over the weekend, I received a couple emails on Tesla. Is Tesla a buy now? I'm not interested in buying Tesla till it breaks out pretty much over this level right here. So over this high mark of about 251.90, that's where I would be interested in taking on Tesla. Maybe one small place I might be interested in taking on Tesla is, say, well, here Friday we close with this candle. Let's just assume today we close with a dark candle, and that's what I would want, a close with a dark candle. And then maybe tomorrow we closed with a candle like this. Any follow through from there, I could try to take Tesla on follow through from that with that chart pattern. But outside of that, I'm pretty sure I'm going to wait till Tesla moves up. Outside of that, I might even be looking for Tesla short. It depends what it does. We need to see that news on it, the chart news, not I don't mean literally news on it. I mean what the chart is saying, okay? Hey, Jack, you're pointing out Apple looking pretty good. Yeah, Apple's not looking bad at all. Nice little flag right here. We need that little breakout. If you look at the weekly here, you can see how nice rounded bottom, and we've just got a beautiful flag. So all it is a matter of when the buyers start liking it. We'll see that in the candlesticks. That's one of the cool things about candlesticks. It's extremely visual, and we'll be able to see in there and see what happens. Let's see, NVIDIA, I'm afraid is still looking to the short side, and it's stocks like NVIDIA that could draw the Qs down a bit more than we might want. And if the Qs draw down too much, that could start to draw the market down. So we want to be careful there. But Netflix is still looking bearish. That's NVIDIA. This is Netflix. Didn't want to confuse you there. Netflix could be setting up on the bearish side. I've got this on my list for maybe a buy. If we can show that we're breaking down through that, about 462 level here, I see a short and target down here and about the 440 level on that. FNGU, very important chart to keep an eye on, extremely important chart to keep an eye on, because this kind of handles, first it was the FANG stocks, and then it's the Fantastic 7 or something. FNGU pretty much covers them, is what it is here. So just keep an eye on this. Here's that 50% level. Here, let me put a little line in here. All right, there. Here's that 50% level, and I'm taking from this little. Here we go. From where we launched from to the top. If we get through this 50% level to the downside, if we get through that, the next level I'm going to look at is approximately right through here, followed by the 50 period moving average. So at this point, I don't see one stinking thing bullish about FNGU. In fact, all I see right now is bearish, and I'm just waiting for the right moment for that short in here. So I think we're looking pretty good on that. There's some home builders that are looking pretty good. PHM, that's looking pretty sharp. Really nice. And some of the airlines are lifting up. So, we could have a bit of a battle this morning, maybe half a day until the market kind of straightens out. So, Jets, Tyler, you're saying Jets. Yeah, Jets is showing some strength. So there's definitely pockets out there. Make sure you're in the right pockets. Make sure those pockets remain to the bullish side. Unless you're short, then you want them to stay to the short side. Right now, I would have a hard time being short when the market is bullish. To me, that's just a great big no-no. Do not short a bullish market. Just do not. Like I said, great big no-no. Hey, Jack, you got a few of them there, huh? Mara? Yeah, Mara's nice. The question is, what are you going to do about it now? So I'm going to stop it right there until you tell me what to do about it. It's too far gone. So nothing we can do about it. Block, that's another one. Put them on watch lists. That's all you can really do. Wait for them. Coin is another one. Too far gone. So put them on the watch list. Wait for the pullback. That kind of thing. That's what I would do. And let's see. Tyler entered TMF on Friday in RBB trading, wondering anyone else seeing this big jump up. Man, that's a big jump, isn't it? Holy cow. Mercy me. Split, yeah, that's got to be something. That's got to be something like a split. Yeah, you got your hopes up. Well, now you own more of it. Hey, Mike. Yeah, this is being recorded. Yes, we're recording this. On the scanner is pretty darn slow this morning. Not really giving a lot. Yeah. CAG, I'm still holding on to CAG, and right now I'm seeing a possible. We'll see how we actually end up today. But right now, the possibility of a Fig Newton chart pattern, one-sided Fig Newton maybe. Anyway, CAG gets up into our target zone. I'm gonna, I'll take profits on that. But anyway, follow the pockets, watch the pockets, trade smart, remember your goals, and also remember this is the last month of the year, so this is the best month there is to reevaluate your trading and make some changes that would improve. We don't want to make changes that does not improve your trading. But this gives you a time, I think, to really work on what you have, improve it, make some goals for next year. And by the way, coming up here, I think it would be nice if everyone shared a few goals in the room. You can share whatever you like, okay? Whatever goal. It could be a financial goal, could be a number you want to hit, could be just trading in general, but it could be other goals too. Hey, I'm good with that. But I think that would be good in the room. We might try to do that. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll see everybody at the bottom of the hour when the market opens up. Good trading today. And be a little careful. Let the market warm up a little bit before we dive in, okay? All right, we'll see everybody in about 30 minutes almost to the bottom of the hour, okay? Take care.